In this video you'll discover exactly how to find cheap car insurance in New Jersey. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service at 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Here, we've got something really exciting to talk about, especially if you're a fellow New Jerseyan looking to save some serious cash. Yup, you guessed it, we're diving into the world of cheap car insurance in the Garden State, right here in New Jersey. If you're tired of breaking the bank every time you hit the road, stick around because we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to help you find the most affordable car insurance rates around. Let's rev up our engines and get started. Segment 1: Why cheap car insurance matters. First things first, let's talk about why finding cheap car insurance is so important. Whether you're cruising down the turnpike or navigating the bustling streets of Newark, having the right coverage at an affordable price is crucial. It not only keeps you legal but also protects your wallet in case of any unexpected mishaps. So, how do we go about finding these wallet-friendly insurance deals? Segment 2: Shopping around for the best deals. Step 1: Shopping around. Just like hunting for the best deals on your favorite pair of sneakers, shopping around for car insurance is essential. Luckily, there's no shortage of options here in New Jersey. Take advantage of online comparison tools, visit local insurance agents, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, different companies have different algorithms to calculate your rates, so you might find a hidden gem that suits your budget perfectly. Segment 3: Understanding your coverage. Step 2: Understanding your coverage. It's not just about the price tag, you need to know what's included in your policy. Liability, collision, comprehensive, these terms can be confusing, but they're vital to ensuring you're adequately protected. Assess your driving habits, the value of your car, and your own financial situation to determine the coverage you need without overpaying for extras you might not use. Segment 4: Factors that affect your rates. Now, let's talk about the factors that can affect your insurance rates. New Jersey has its own unique considerations that insurers take into account. Your location, driving history, age, and even credit score can all play a role in determining your premiums. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions to potentially lower your rates. Segment 5: Bundling and discounts. Moving on to Step 3: Bundling and discounts. Did you know that you can often save big by bundling your car insurance with other types of coverage, like homeowners or renters insurance? Many companies offer multi-policy discounts that can really add up over time. And don't forget about safe driver discounts, good student discounts, and more. These little perks can make a significant difference. Segment 6: Tech-savvy solutions. Now, let's talk about some tech-savvy solutions that can help you score cheaper car insurance rates. Many insurers offer usage-based programs that track your driving habits through smartphone apps or plug-in devices. If you're a responsible driver, this could lead to substantial savings. Plus, embracing digital tools can streamline the process of comparing quotes and managing your policy. Conclusion: there you have it, folks. Your guide to finding cheap car insurance right here in the great state of New Jersey. Remember, the key is to be proactive, do your research, and explore all the options available to you. Whether you're zipping through Hoboken or cruising along the Jersey Shore, a little effort can go a long way in keeping your car insurance costs in check. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.